Okay, so we're going to talk about different array classes. So these are some useful array classes or array methods you could use. So let's say we have the following array. So we have double nums is equal to let's say 6.0, 4.4, 1.9, 2.9, 3.4, and 3.5. So let's say we want to sort this array from least to greatest. What we would do is do java.util.arrays dot sort. Then you pass in your array value, or sorry, array name, and then this pretty much sorts your array. So this pretty much represents 1.9, 2.9, 3.4, 3.5, 4.4, and 6.0. Okay, and then let's say you only want to sort these parts only. Then what you do is you do java.util.arrays dot sort still, and then you pass in your array name, and then you put in the index you wanna sort. So this is 0, this is 1. So we start at 1, and then you put in the index you wanna end in. So pretty much, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but we have to put in 5 because this is exclusive. Okay, so it's gonna be 5 minus 1, so it's gonna be 4. All right, so this it's gonna pretty much only sort this part. All right, so it'll be 1.9, sorry, 6.0, 1.9, 2.9, 3.4, 4.4, then 3.5. Only the slot was changed. Then let's say you want to find the index where of 4.4. What you do is do java.util.arrays dot binary search, pass in your array name, which is nums, and then the value you want to look for. So we want to look for 4.4, and this will give us 1, okay, because that's the index 4.4 is located at. Now let's say there are these three arrays, int list1 is equal to 1, 7, 3, 5. Then we do int list2. It's also 1, 7, 3, 5. Then we do int list3. It's 5, 0, 9, 1. Now let's say we want to see if these two are equal to each other. What we do is do java.util.arrays dot equals, and then we pass in the two arrays that we want to compare. So we do list1, list2, and this would return in true. But if you do list1 and list3, this would return in false. Okay, now our last one, let's do int let's call it list again, and we'll have 2, 4, 7, 10, and 1 pass in. So if you do java.util.arrays.fill, fill, and we pass in list here, and then here we're going to pass in what we want to fill our list with. So let's put in 8. This would replace our entire list with 8. So it'll be 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8. But let's say I want to replace these values with only 8. So what you do instead is you put it in the index that you want to start at, and then you do 1 plus the index you want to end at. So this is 1, 2, 3. So it'll be 4 because remember 4 is exclusive. Then you put in the value you wanna fill it with. So it's gonna be 2, 8, 8, 8, 1. Okay? And then finally there's java.util.arrays.toString. Then what this does is it pretty much strings your entire array. So this output is two square bracket 2, 4, 7, 10, 1. Okay, this is pretty much your whole array. It doesn't change the individual values into array. It literally makes your whole array string.